Health. Our parents are in good health in spite of their age. Healthy. Lead, led, led. You can't really lead a healthy life if you work too much. Fit. I keep fit by jogging every day. Condition. I'm really out of condition since I gave up sports. Form. The US swimmers were in top form at the Olympics. Appetite. Weight. I've been trying to lose some weight for years now, but I'm still fat. Gain. You look as if you gained a bit of weight on holiday this year. Diet. A healthy diet. An unhealthy diet. I'm a bit overweight. Do you think I should go on a diet? Unhealthy. Pete has a very unhealthy lifestyle. He drinks and smokes too much. Well. I hope you get well soon. Better. My boyfriend still has the flu, but he's getting better. Improve. Lorna's health improved a lot during her holiday. Improvement. At first, there was little improvement in her condition. Recover. Just keep the child warm and she'll soon recover from her cold. He recovered his sight after the operation. Recovery. We thought he would die, but he made a full recovery. Strong. Sonia's getting stronger every day. Normal. Maggie's feeling better and her temperature's back to normal. Physically. Although our grandfather is almost 80, he's still physically fit. Strength. After her difficult operation, Cynthia slowly got her strength back. Weak. Although Judith has a weak heart, she still manages to go swimming several times a week. Weakness. Ill. I am afraid Hugh's seriously ill and must stay in hospital for a while. Sick. Father was so sick yesterday that he couldn't go to work. John stayed home last week to take care of his sick mother. Illness. Disease. Chickenpox is a common childhood disease. Condition. My brother has had a heart condition from birth. Trouble. How's Walter today? Not very well. He is still having trouble with his back. Attack. Right in the middle of her speech, Susan had an asthma attack. Acute. Daniel's father was admitted to hospital with acute pain in his chest. Chronic. Patricia suffers from diabetes, which is a chronic condition. Upset. An upset stomach. Sick. I think I'm going to be sick. Throw up, threw up, thrown up. Because I couldn't stop the car in time, Lucy threw up all over the back seat. Infection. Ask your doctor what you can do to protect yourself against infection. Infection. Spread. AIDS has spread quickly throughout the world. Virus. I had to stay in bed for a fortnight with a virus. Infectious. Flu is highly infectious. Inflammation. Bacteria. Measles. Mumps. Pneumonia. Polio. Diabetes. AIDS. HIV positive. Cold. I've got a really nasty cold. Catch, caught, caught. I must have caught a cold at the Open Air Rock Festival. Symptom. Cough. Temperature. The baby's running a temperature. Let's call the doctor. Flu. Sheila's only got a mild case of flu. She'll be back at work in no time. Runny. Cough. Before Christmas, I had a bad cough, a runny nose and a sore throat. Fever. Sweat. Allergy. Allergic. Mike's allergic to all milk products. Hay fever. Asthma. Rash. Serious. Cancer is one of the most serious illnesses there is. Cancer. Many heavy smokers die of lung cancer. Suffer from. Granny has been suffering from stomach ulcers for most of her life. Ulcer. Disorder. Eating disorder. Anorexia and bulimia are serious eating disorders that mainly affect young women. Anorexia. Bulimia. Heart attack. Heart disease. Blood pressure. High blood pressure. Low blood pressure. Stroke. Wayne's father had a stroke and died last year. Injure. 2 security men injured a football fan badly last night. Badly. Seriously. Injury. Tom suffered severe injuries in a car crash. Internal. An internal injury. Hurt. The old lady hurt her back when she fell. Shock. After a serious injury, many people go into shock. Injured. The injured person was taken to hospital. Hurt. Bruise. I bruised my left ankle playing football. Cut. Have you cut your finger? It's bleeding. Break, broke, broken. I broke a bone in my hand. Broken. Ron was taken to hospital with a broken leg. Wound. Wounded. Bleed, bled, bled. Bump. Fracture. First aid. Bandage. Plaster.
Band-aid.
Cast. Toby's had his leg in a cast since his accident 2 months ago. Hurt. My feet are really hurting after that long walk. Pain. She's been in pain ever since her heart attack. Painful. Stiff. A stiff neck. Headache. I've got a terrible headache and a cough today. Edward often complains of headaches in the morning. Ache. Uncle Edward is only 35, but he's got the aches and pains of a 60-year-old. Ache. After my morning swim, my ears started to ache. Stomachache. Backache. Toothache. Jim's got such terrible toothache that he has to see the dentist. Sore. I think I'm getting a sore throat. Tender. A tender spot. Swollen. Tim's face was still badly swollen 2 weeks after his operation. Inflamed. Pass out. Many people passed out from the bad air in the hall. Dizzy. Sophie quickly jumped out of bed to answer the doorbell and immediately felt dizzy. Faint. The injured boy fainted from loss of blood. Unconscious. Come to, came to, come to. When he came to in hospital, he did not know who he was anymore. Mental. Studies show that 1 in 4 of us will have some sort of mental health problem in our life. Mental illness. Stress. break down, broke down, broken down. Our boss broke down under stress and had to be taken to hospital. Mad.
Crazy.
Well balanced. Mentally. Mentally ill. Sane. Insane. Nerves. The noise is getting on my nerves. Tick. When Nigel's under stress, he often gets a nervous tick. Nervous breakdown. Severely. Depressed. Many older people who have no family get severely depressed during the Christmas holidays. Depression. In Europe and in the US, there are millions of normal adults who suffer from depression.
Care. Many people aged 50 to 60 have to take care of their sick parents. Medical. Before the doctor examined Greg, the nurse took his medical history. Medical care. Attention. Kathy needed urgent medical attention after her car crash. Health insurance. Private health insurance. Health care. Health service. National Health Service.
Medicaid. Medicare.
Health centre. Patient. Doctor. Where's Mum? She's at the doctor's with Nan. Appointment. Surgery. On Saturdays, surgery is from 10 till 12:30.
Doctor's office. Office hours.
Dentist. At the dentist's. Emergency. Ambulance. Hospital. Admit. Kathy was admitted to the children's ward of the local hospital last night. Nurse. A male nurse. Ward. Operating theatre.
Operating room.
Examine. Examination. My doctor gave me a thorough physical examination. Test. Blood test. Test. Owen ought to be tested for HIV. Checkup. X-ray. Have an X-ray. Treat. It is very difficult to successfully treat somebody for AIDS. Treatment. medical treatment. Injection. Dr. Snell gave her an injection for hay fever. Shot. Exercise. If you want to get better, you should get more exercise. Rub. Rub this ointment on your chest and your cough will get better. Surgery. After his heart attack, our boss had to have surgery at the hospital. Operate. Mr. Miles was operated on for cancer by a top surgeon. Operation. Remain. Stay. Mrs. White had to stay in bed for a week after her operation. Fill. Laura had 2 teeth filled at the dentist's yesterday. Surgeon. Stitch. It was only a small cut, but Neil still had to have stitches. Filling. Oh no, my filling's come out. Have out, had out, had out. I'm having a tooth out today. Medicine. Since she became HIV positive, Nancy has had to take a lot of medicine. Drug. Remedy. Onions are an old-fashioned remedy for a cough. Cure. They still haven't found a cure for AIDS. Protection. There is no effective protection against infection. Prescribe. The doctor prescribed tablets for our son's rash. Prescription. This medication is available on prescription only. Medication. Miriam can only eat light food because she is on stomach medication. Pill. Take 1 pill every 4 hours. Tablet. Chemist. Chemists. Pharmacist. Pharmacy.
Drugstore.
Relief. These tablets should give you some relief from the pain. Save. Dr. Simpson saved Guy's life after the accident. Cure. Heal.
Smoke. Smoke. I'm just going to have a quick smoke. Smoking. No smoking. Non-smoking. Sorry, but you can't smoke here. It's a non-smoking area. Smoker. Eric's a heavy smoker. He smokes 3 packets a day. Non-smoker. Cigarette. Packet. A packet of cigarettes. A pack of cigarettes.
Pack.
Pipe. Fag. Roll up. Cigar. Tobacco. Drink. Drink and drugs are a big problem in many schools. Drink, drank, drunk. Alcohol. Drunk. Dean gets drunk every Friday after work. Alcoholic. Alcoholism. Sober. Drug. Phil has been on drugs for years now. Simon says he only does drugs at weekends. Take, took, taken. Janet has been taking drugs since she was 13. Use. Does Floyd just use drugs or does he deal as well? User. High. Brian likes to get high on grass. Deal, dealt, dealt. Traffic. Most of the world's traffic in heroin and cocaine is between South America and the US. Abuse. Drug abuse. Stoned. Addicted. Judy's addicted to heroin. Addict. A drug addict. Dealer. Hard drug. Heroin. Cocaine. Crack. Ecstasy. Amphetamine. Soft drug. Marijuana. Grass. Joint. Habit. Kick. Ryan still smokes, but he's trying to kick the habit. Stop. I want to stop drinking, but I just can't. Give up. Gave up. Given up. Detox. Withdrawal. Withdrawal symptoms.